Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating explicit backups of your save and game install. Keep 2 separate copies offline. Then install the hex editor, asset unpacker, and your mod manager. Locate Kingsoul's item ID, model file, texture, and stat blocks inside the unpacked assets. Once done, note offsets and file names, record them in a short checklist so you don't guess later. This sets a safe foundation and prevents corruption while you perform the conversion. Now you modify the core assets, duplicate Kingsoul's model and texture, and rename them for Voidheart. Open the stat block in your hex editor or JSON, change damage, scaling, and equip flags, and replace the original item ID with the new Voidheart ID. Make sure model bindings and texture paths in the asset manifest match the new names. Mismatches cause missing models. Once you've saved edits, repackage the modified assets into the game's expected archive format. Finish by repacking the modified archive and installing it with your mod manager or replacing the original file. Launch the game, obtain or spawn Voidheart, and verify animations, textures, and damage output in multiple contexts. If everything matches expectations, lock the archive and keep a version backup. Troubleshooting tip: if the game crashes or shows missing textures, immediately restore the backup, then inspect logs for offset mismatches or wrong asset names. Small naming errors are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.